Bounce. Welcome back to another episode of Mini Metal Fab, everyone.
We were kind of blessed with a nice snowstorm tonight, so...
Indeed. We're going to send it.
Take our three-wheeler, take our go-kart out, and just kind of have a little fun.
Yep. So we're just going to swing it and drift and jump and just see what we can do. So enjoy this video. It should be a blast. Here comes Russell. Three-wheeler. Got it. Oh. That was a bit sketchy. See if we can swing it. Come in wide. Yeah, there you go, a little sideways. Nice. That engine's so weak, it makes no power.
No.
I hit a rock! Russell. He's gonna try to swing it. He found out it's harder than it looks. The rear tires grip a lot. Jump drift right there.
Oh, that is not what I wanted to do. less trouble, but he just popped it in the gear and did a wheelie. Oh no! I bounce.
I know, it's harder than it looks.
And then it starts to catch and I can't go that way anymore.
I know. Let's hit the jump with it. Let's hit the jump.
Okay.
Let's come in hot for the jump. Yeah, that was a good one. That was great. The thing jumps beautifully. It's much harder with this engine than it was the last one. You can smell our burning belt because it's getting wet from all the snow, but oh well. So the three-wheeler is running terrible. The carburetor is just too messed up, and it doesn't want to go. So we're gonna put that back, and we're gonna put my mini bike out instead because that thing goes.
Extremely loud as ever. So, chain's back on.
Alright, back up. It's too cold for this thing. It's not tuned right for this cold weather. It's tuned for Busco Beach in the hot.
Chain went again. Did it? Sounded like it did. Yeah, it did. Well, unfortunately, the mini bike was cut a little short. It still needs some fine tuning.
Yeah.
Not quite.
Oh, that's probably why.
Is the rear not aligned?
No, the chain tensioner is not on.
Oh.
Yeah.
That'll do it.
Here, I'm gonna sit on it. Can you try to get the chain on it?
It broke off.
Huh?
You broke it. You broke the wheel off. Oh, wait. Never
Right there, I
mind.
need to tighten the bolt.
Never mind. I'm blind.
Yep, gotta tighten that bolt.
I thought this was that arm and it was completely sheared. No. You did throw some sparks when the chain went.
That's probably because it went into my spokes. They're spinning on each other. Yeah. Russell's gonna give it a shot now. See what he's got. The built full suspension mini dirt bike. When he's full throttle going by you, you can feel the exhaust in your body, like in your chest. You feel it thumping you. It's crazy. From a 212, that's nuts. Yeah! Now we tension the chain, it's mint. Need to get lights for this thing. Yeah, that was a solid drift. I think he's better at drifting bikes than me. It scares me. It's sketchy. Oh! Russell just slid out. No! He laid it over. You alright? You okay? You good?
Yeah. My heel hit the ground and now I started to fall.
It's slippery, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I started to slide and then my heel got caught and then I went the rest of the way.
That's good. That was a good jump. And good drifting too. The thing jumps so good. Feels like he's jumping a dirt bike. Oh! It's slick. Alright?
Yeah, that was
alright. Stretch out the pain, you know? Through the snow pile. Dude, it's a solid mini bike. The suspension feels good. Just gotta tune the carb a bit more. It's hard to get the timing right for wheelies. Yeah, there you got it up. Thing moves out good. Alright, well, we hope you enjoyed the video of us ripping the three-wheeler, my mini bike, and the go-kart around in the snow. It was an absolute blast.
The go-kart was phenomenal. The other two just needed a little bit of work, but
yeah, but everything's still in refining stages, and the three-wheeler's going to be getting major changes soon, so we'll fix that thing up in no time. The mini bike, after I did the chain alignment adjustment and fixed the tensioner, pretty perfect. Just need a little carb tuning, but other than that, it's pretty dialed. The suspension feels amazing.
Yeah.
It drifts good in the snow. I'm not that good at drifting, and Russell is getting nice ones.
My knee hurts.
Well, at least everyone's all right. The bike's, I'm sure, is fine. It can take a hit. And yeah, so stay tuned for the next video. We hope you enjoyed watching us. God bless.